Hi everyone and welcome to a new video, and this is what I'll be working with. The main kit and the Pocket Life kit, the Embellishment Kit and the Cardstock Kit. I also used the color kit and the brick texture metal dies. So today I want to show you how you can make your colors pop, and I'll be scrapping on black cardstock today, something that I just rarely do, but if you want to make colors pop, this is a nice way to make them shine. So you see that I start by applying just a bit white acrylic paint with a makeup sponge, and we have these beautiful shimmer paints, watercolors in the color kit this month. And I'll be adding some splashes and sprinkles by just using a common brush and just add some color here and there. And I have some splashes on the black cardstock and some of the white background I created. And I really love this yellow. It's so shiny, so bright, and it adds a nice color details when using it. And I also want to use the other color that comes in the kit, also watercolor, watercolor, sorry. And you see that again, I'm just adding some splashes here and there. And now I also add some of the mist that comes in the kit, pink one, and I really like all three colors that we get. And now I just set the cardstock aside and leave it to dry. And while I'm waiting for the color to dry, I want to create my picture cluster. So I'm working with a piece from one of the pattern papers, and here I have a card from the Pocket Life kit. Just cut the edges because I don't want it to be too big. I want to have some of the black cardstock background in the end, so the cluster shouldn't be too big. I also have chosen one of the orange cards from the Pocket Life kit, and this card is just perfect because it has the same colors in it as my picture. So I also want to use this one here at the left hand side. And now I can just start fixing the papers. So you see that I'm just working with three cards from the cardstock, from the Pocket Life kit, sorry, and one piece of paper or a paper stripe from one of the pattern papers from the main kit. And that's all the paper I'll be using here. Now it's time to add some more dimension, and I have chosen the brick texture dies, metal dies, and cut some pieces from the blue cardstock that we get in the cardstock kit, and I just placed those bricks here under my picture and on both sides of it under the paper cluster. And I really love this metal die set. It gives you so many different possibilities. You can use it for nice backgrounds, and it adds a lot of dimension and different details wherever you want to put it. Okay, so fun is my title. We have these nice foam stickers, and these build nice titles. And I also use a piece from the die cut set and just place it here underneath the title. And yeah, the color combination of yellow and turquoise is just stunning, I guess. Also in combination with pink details and bits of orange. Yeah, I really like these colors a lot. So this is the basis of my layout, and now I can add some details. I have this paper stripe from the Pocket Life kit again. And I cut it apart so that I have different stripes which I can place here. And yeah, now I have to see that I get everything placed on my background. So this is my prepared cardstock, and everything has dried up now, and you see that you can just see bits of the white background I've created after placing my cluster here on top of it. And I also want to add some more details now that I see what it looks like, and I can adhere everything. And I have cut some pieces from the yellow pattern paper and place them here or spread them here around my picture. And I think that this is also a nice way to make the color pop here on the black background, because yeah, the yellow is really poppy. And I have cut various of these and just placed them here around my picture. And if you want to check out more details about the kits, just visit the Hip Kit Club website. There you can find all the details. You see that I'm working with a lot of different kits here. But if you want to check out the main kit, for example, more detailed, or if you want to know more about the metal dies, just check out the website. Everything is still in stock, so you can order whatever you need or whatever you want. And yeah, I'll create a lot of different projects, because the kits are so stuffed with a lot of beautiful things. And yeah, you have plenty of use in them. Okay, you see that this is almost a finished layout. I just add the stripes that I prepared here. So we have this phrase, we tried something new this weekend. And this is something that we really did. So we tried something new. We went to play laser tag with the whole family and friends, and it was a lot of fun. So yeah, this is the perfect title here and the perfect paper stripe that I found in the Pocket Life kit. Now I'm adding some more details. I love the epoxy things that we get in the kit. We have these wooden epoxies, and we also have some epoxy stickers, which I'll be using later. And just have to check out where to place everything. And I think this would be too much, so I just have to rearrange it and add some more here on the other side. And yeah, this also is a nice combination here to have another smaller title here as a balance. And now I'm just adding some epoxy stars. They are shiny and pretty, and I love how they look on the black cardstock because they are also kind of, yeah, a color pop thing that I can place here. And yeah, this is something that I'll be using on a lot of my pages, I guess. I love all the epoxy stickers, the hearts, the stars, and all the shapes. All right, so this just needs to have the date stamp now, and I just put it under the title on top of the die cut piece because, yeah, the black cardstock is kind of tricky, and yeah, there is my place for the title, for the date stamp. All right. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. And this is what my layout turned out in the end. I hope you liked my way of using black cardstock this time. And yeah, have fun using your Make kits, and happy crafting. Hope to see you soon again. Thanks so much for watching and take care. Bye bye.